Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Facebook pixel events firing with GTM detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify Facebook pixel events firing with Google Tag Manager, start by opening Google Tag Manager in your browser. Log into your account and navigate to the workspace where your Facebook pixel is installed. Next, click on the preview button in the upper right corner to enter preview mode. In the new window, enter the URL of the web page you want to test and click Start. Your website will open in a new tab, displaying the Google Tag Manager debug panel at the. Once the page fully loads, interact with the elements on your site that should trigger Facebook pixel events. Go back to the GTM debug panel and watch for the tags section to see if the corresponding Facebook pixel event has fired. If the tag fires successfully, it will display a green checkmark next to the event. To delve deeper, click on the tag name to view detailed information about the event. Next, open Facebook's Pixel Helper Chrome extension to confirm events are firing correctly. If you don't have the Pixel Helper installed, download it from the Chrome Web Store. Once installed, click on the Pixel Helper icon to see if your Facebook pixel events are recognized. The extension will display a summary of the events fired, providing confirmation of successful tracking. If you notice any issues, revisit your Google Tag Manager settings to ensure the trigger configurations are correct. Make necessary adjustments, then re-enter preview mode to test again. Once you confirm everything is firing correctly, publish your changes in Google Tag Manager. Your Facebook pixel events should now be fully verified and operational. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.